Hello everyone, this is Yili. Today we're going to look at 98th question on Leetcode, validate binary search tree. Given a binary tree, determine if it is a valid binary search tree or not. So let's first refresh on what's a BST. A BST has to follow three rules. The left subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys less than the node's key, and the right subtree of a node contains only nodes with a key greater than the node's key. And both the left and right subtree must also be binary search trees. So let's look at example 1. We can see that 2 is greater than 1, but it's less than 3. So this is a BST. And for example 2, this is problematic for a reason that 4 is less than 5. However, it's a right child of 5. So it violates the BST's properties. So, how can we solve these questions? This is a typical recursion problems. So, I'll give a pseudocode here. So, what we're going to do is that we'll create a helper function and fill in its node and its left bound and its right bound. Oh, oops. Okay, so first, if node is null, we're going to return true. Else, we're going to check node is in range left, comma right. If it's not, we're going to return false. If both conditions are not triggered, what we're going to do is we're going to check its child, the node's child. So we're going to return helper on its left child with its own bound and helper on its right child with its own bound. I encourage you to pause here. Now let's try to code this one. So first step, we need to check for edge cases if root equals to null. What we should do is just return true. Else, we will return the result of our helper method, which will be we're passing root null as the parameters. Okay, now let's define the helper method. What we should do. Okay, so if node is equal to null, we know we succeed. We just return true. Else, if first we know that left is now equal to null, so that's not the first one. We don't the first node like the root node, we don't have left bound or right bound. And also we know that node dot value is less than or equal to its left bound. We have trouble. Or same for our right bound. We should in these two situations, we should just return false. Else, we should just recursively call this helper on node dot left bound and node dot val. Here we updated our left and right bound for those two new node. Node dot val and right. This should do the trick. Let's try to run the code. Okay, submit again. Yay, we did it. That's it. Thanks for watching.